What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a Geometry Dash tutorial video. Yeah, I'm doing a texture, and yeah, so okay, ain't really loud. I gotta turn this down. Let me just go to my settings real quick. Okay, we're good now. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the level theory of everything 2, okay? So it's really simple, and you just gotta be doing what I'm doing. So my Alright, let me just plug in my controller. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Here we go. So this part is really easy. When the song goes da-da-da-da-da-da, you gotta press A 4 times. This is considering you're using a controller. If you're not, then you gotta click. Okay, so this part when the song goes wah, you gotta press oh my god! Okay, so right this part you go do-do-do-do-do-do, and then you press when the beat goes da-da-da. Okay, right here, and then when it goes real cool, don't get the coins don't do anything. Okay, so when the song goes da-da-da-da, then you wanna go, and then you wanna click 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, and then I died. Yeah, it seems I'm going on a yoga page because your mom is really bad, so okay, so right here you want to go that, and then you want to go like that, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, up, down, sideways. Now this part you guys thread the needle, as I say. And then this part I can't do. It's tape playing right now, right, Tim? Okay, thanks for your help. Then this part when the song is real sad, and it reminds me of Minecraft, then you want to hit it 4 times. Okay, 4. Count it 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now this part when the song goes wah wah wah, you want to press A 6 times. You know, they should nerf Cube, honestly. It's so good. Okay, I'll give it 4 more tries, but I'll maybe do a part 2 or something, you know? So right here, you guys already know what to do. Tap to tap, tap, tap. Easy, bro. Okay, we're gonna go in practice mode. That's better. No, it's alright. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, and I don't have the music to reference it, so it's gonna be all hard, but you just gotta trust me on it. So, no, I'm in practice mode, you know, so. Change Johnny dying in the background. Send help, guys. Okay, so then, and then when this part of the song goes, and you want to click it 4 times. No, 5, sorry, my mistake. I died! Okay, so this part, when it gets super sad, it reminds me when my dog died in my car, and so... So you wanna go ow 4 times in memory and food, so you got hit by a truck. You wanna hit this 6 times, and then go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go up, down, up, down, up, down. Then you wanna hit the top one, not the bottom. Top. And then you wanna, no! And then you wanna go down, and then up, and then this part. right there, right? And then this started really easy. Just got hit 6 times, 4 times, okay? And then like the part reminded me of iCarly when Freddie Benson kissed that crack. That was hot. Sounds too. If you did a crossover with Alvin and the Chipmunks, that would be so good. Yeah, she's hot. So then this part, when the song goes then you want to hit it 6 times, and then you want to go and then down and then open. And then up, down, like that, okay? So really easy, and then there we go. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then when the song goes bum 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 bum, you just want to tap to the beat. And then there we go. I beat it out. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Paxor for joining me. And I hope y'all have a great day. Please subscribe, rate, comment, get this to the recommendation feed. And at 20 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away a hat with my name signed on it, okay? Yeah, I know, Tay, I'm sorry, like, I know you want it really bad, but I just can't give it to you, you know? Okay, so I'll see you later, guys. Peace out. Bye-bye.